so quick story about this. Another part of my fireworks adventure. I'm sorry about my dog. He's just Eric. Sorry about my doggies. Got mental. So any fireworks, boy? Just no. My dog's barking at the fireworks. I'm sorry about that. Eric! 1 second, let me just sort my dog. I'm sorry, I only just got my dog from Babbitt to rescue. Anyway. Oh, firework. You might hear my dog growling in the background. Beautiful fireworks. They're just fireworks, okay, boy? Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Beautiful out. I hope you're having a good firework night. I am. I'm at home though. But the full moon again. Full moon. Look, doggy. Look, camera smile. Oh, I'm sorry about my camera's a bit funny. Is that better? It's been outside. Sit down. Babington Rescue we got him from. Wow! Oh, did you see that? That was beautiful. Hey! The dog just jumped up now. You're a daft dog, aren't you? This might be a bit longer video because I'm inside and I feel a bit safer. I'm still my mummy's not here. My mummy's not here. Oh, you goodbye. You goodbye. If you still, I'm sorry I had to share that. Oh my god, that just scared me. Eric! Hey! No! Eric! Shh. Let me just sort out my dog again.